This view is unbelievable. I'm on Patong Beach right now. Patong Beach in Phuket, Thailand. And I'm telling you, this beach is beautiful. This view, one of the most beautiful views. Waving the flag. Where American flag? Where's the American flag? USA. Said don't have.
Hello.
What's up, bro? What you doing? You chilling? You got jet skis? No, what do you do?
Parasailing.
Oh, parasailing. Nice. Fun. How much for a parasail?
One person,
200 baht?
1,200.
Oh, 1,200 baht.
Yes.
So like $30. Like 30 bucks. Yeah. It's like $32.